Do you have a drawer full of knives but nothing sharp? Stop crushing your food instead of cutting it. What a mess! And don't use fixed-edge sharpeners that grind down and destroy your knives. Introducing the Bavarian Edge, the innovative knife sharpener with independent spring-action arms that will make your old blades razor sharp in seconds. If you want the sharpest knives possible, you need the Bavarian Edge. Look, it's so different because it has two independent spring-action sharpeners made of ultra-hard tungsten carbide that flex and contour to any blade or angle for the perfect razor-sharp edge in an instant. And only Bavarian Edge can sharpen serrated knives. Watch! We dulled this serrated knife on a cinder block. And with just a few passes through the tungsten carbide sharpeners on the Bavarian Edge, it's as sharp as a razor, even cutting through a leather shoe without effort. Your old knives will fillet, cut, chop, slice, and dice just like the day you got them with the Bavarian Edge. This frozen steak is rock hard, and a butter spreader isn't for cutting. But after just a few passes through the Bavarian Edge, it's so sharp it cuts right through this frozen steak like a hot knife through butter. We took this credit card and tried to cut this tomato. It just won't work. Simply pull the card through the Bavarian Edge a few times, and now it's sharp as a razor. It cuts this tomato with ease. Other knife sharpeners can cost over $150. Call now and get the Bavarian Edge knife sharpener for just $19.99. Now you can double the offer. Just pay a separate fee. And Bavarian Edge comes with our lifetime money-back guarantee. If it ever wears or breaks, you'll get your money back. There's more. We'll ship it to you free. Get your Bavarian Edge and free shipping for $19.99. Click or call right now.